Hello, in front of me I've got DJI RS 4 Mini. In this video I'll show you what does the LED on tracking module means. The LED on tracking module means not only the battery level. The solid red is low battery level, green is high, yellow is medium. But also solid red means active track is disabled or in sleep mode, or subject is lost. Solid green means that active track is in use, and blinking green means that subject lost temporarily. Solid yellow means that composition being adjusted, and blinks yellow means that countdown for taking picture or recording is enabled. Shutter triggered after 3 seconds of blinking. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.